Hello! Welcome to Teacher Dom's online teaching class at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Come, let's learn together.
Science for Grade 1. Science for Grade 1. Online lesson for Thai young learners. Online lesson for Thai young learners. 5 senses. 5 senses. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to, number 1, tell the 5 senses, and number 2, tell the sense associated with the body part correctly. Let's have a warm-up. Are you ready? Here are our key words: eyes, sight, eyes, sight, ears, hearing, ears, hearing, nose, smell, nose, smell, tongue, taste, tongue, taste, hands, touch, hands, touch. Sentence structure 1. Enumerate the 5 senses. What are the 5 senses? What are the 5 senses? Sentence structure 2. Tell the sense. Eyes. They are for the sense of sight. Eyes. They are for the sense of sight. Now let's go to practice test. Practice test. Now let's deal first the practice test guidelines. Number 1, students, learners should remember its correct answer while taking the practice test. Number 2, students, learners must complete answering practice test from 1 to 5 items. Number 3, students, learners choose and write only letters A, B, C, and D on a piece of paper. Practice test 1. Practice test 1. Eyes. They are for the sense of eyes. They are for the sense of A, sight, B, touch, C, hearing, D, smell. A, sight, B, touch, C, hearing, D, smell. Eyes. They are for the sense of A, sight. Eyes. They are for the sense of A, sight. Practice test 2. Practice test 2. Nose. It is for the sense of nose. It is for the sense of A, sight, B, touch, C, hearing, D, smell. A, sight, B, touch, C, hearing, D, smell. Nose. It is for the sense of D, smell. Nose. It is for the sense of D, smell. Practice test 3. Practice test 3. Hands. They are for the sense of hands. They are for the sense of A, sight, B, touch, C, hearing, D, smell. A, sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Hands, they are for the sense of B. Touch. Hands, they are for the sense of B. Touch. Practice test 4. Practice test 4. Ears, they are for the sense of ears, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Ears, they are for the sense of C. Hearing. Ears, they are for the sense of C. Hearing. Practice test 5. Practice test 5. Tongue, they are for the sense of tongue, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Taste, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Taste, D. Smell. Tongue, they are for the sense of C. Taste. Tongue, they are for the sense of C. Taste. Now let's go to online test. Online test. Now let's deal first online test guidelines. Number 1, students, learners should be assisted or guided by their parents or guardians while taking the online test. Number 2, students, learners must complete answering online test from 1 to 5 items, 2 points each. Number 3, students, learners choose only letter A, B, C, and D on a piece of paper. Online test 1. Online test 1. Tongue, they are for the sense of tongue, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Taste, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Taste, D. Smell. Online test 2. Online test 2. Ears, they are for the sense of ears, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Online test 3. Online test 3. Hands, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Online test 4. Online test 4. Nose, it is for the sense of nose, it is for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Online test 5. Online test 5. Eyes, they are for the sense of eyes, they are for the sense of A. Sight, B. Touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. A. Sight, B. touch, C. Hearing, D. Smell. Now let's review online test answers. Online test answers. Online test answer number 1. Tongue, therefore the sense of C. Taste, C. Taste. Online test answer number 2. Ears, therefore the sense of C. Hearing, C. Hearing. Online test answer number 3. Hands, therefore the sense of B. Touch, B. Touch. Online test answer number 4. Nose, it is for the sense of D. Smell, D. Smell. Online test answer number 5. Eyes, they are for the sense of A. Sight, A. Sight. What is your score? Online total test scores. Online total test scores 5. So you should have a score of 5/5. Congratulations! Now let's deal with online homework. Online homework. Online homework number 1. Match and draw a line correctly. Match and draw a line correctly. Online homework number 2. Online homework number 2. Match and draw a line correctly. Match and draw a line correctly. Online homework number 3. Online homework number 3. Write the corrections in the box below each picture. Write the corrections in the box below each picture. Here are a word bank. Sight, sight. Smell, smell, smell. Touch, touch. Hearing, hearing. Taste, taste. Thanks a lot for following this online lesson for Thai young learners at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Keep learning and follow Teacher Dom's online teaching class. See you until the next online lesson.
Thanks a lot for listening. Please don't forget to click every part of this online teaching video and subscribe to Prathom's IPON channel. Bye!